My pretties, I'm here at Radisson to celebrate the Christmas Eve and इनकी decorations देखो कितनी सुंदर, the tree, how beautifully they've decorated, बहुत बढ़िया सुंदर बनाया हुआ है, very pretty, very very beautiful. देखो इनका, this is really pretty. They've done a good job. See our table, how beautiful it's looking. See the table is looking so pretty. It's got that small tree and things decorated. कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. So ये है इनका चाट पापड़ी काउंटर at the Radisson in the S18. So they have मीठा and नमकीन पानी. Look at the decorations for Christmas. See how nice. This is Golgappa section. They have it on the Christmas Eve. Very nice. And this is Mexican. Very nice. And this is, what is this, chef? Pork. Lamb. This is lamb. This is herb roast, roasted chicken with garlic and rosemary butter. Then this is Christmas roast carvery. It's maple glazed ham. My God, this is got to be seen. This is actually a Christmas Eve dinner. And this is a bread roll, Turkish bread roll. Wow. This is again a turkey. This is roasted turkey, and this is turkey, same. This is a roast turkey. Wow, this is the best. Looks really delicious. So this is it, how it looks. You can see this is the backdrop of the Christmas Eve dinner at Radisson S18. How beautifully they have laid the Christmas Eve dinner. Lovely. And Daddy is already having his golgappas. Hello, Dada. See, this is my lamb with a nice gravy on top. This is actually a Christmas lamb. So I'm going to be having at S18 in Radisson. This is the roasted chicken, which is again a Christmas delicacy with dinner in S18. This is actually pork. These are the hams, pork and ham with some veggies. This is a chicken taco. This is actually a paya soup, and this is very healthy, very nice paya soup. आप देखो बहुत बढ़िया, very delicious. First time I'm having a paya soup. So well made. This is another Christmas dish. This is actually a bread roll. It's like a bread roll. We are enjoying her golgappas at S18. I just finished having something and I had some nice Christmas spread right now there. I loved it, and now she's enjoying her yummy golgappas. Roasted chicken with some nice asparagus, some Brussels sprouts, some cherry tomatoes, some beetroot, some potatoes, and this is actually very Christmassy, a very good Christmas dish. Pretties, I'm here for the dinner buffet on the Christmas Eve at S18 in Noida, Sector 18, the Radisson MBD group, and I will show you, मैं आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ कि आज क्या क्या है इनके बुफे में, the Christmas Eve buffet dinner. This is actually their fruit section, the salad and fruits. So you see this, and let's go ahead. This is fattoush pen with avocado and remoulade. See this. This is roasted beets, balsamic and goat cheese. Look how beautifully they've done it. That's me. Hello. So that's so cutely they have decorated with the fruits. पीछे बहुत सुंदर बनाया हुआ है. See, this is the Thai style chicken salad, red wine, poached pears and fruits that side. So this is all again a very nice spread of salads. That's sushi. And let's come here. This is actually the roasted chicken that's taking place in shawarma with the Lebanese chicken shawarma falafel. So you see this. Steamed fish, Thai, basil sauce. Wow. Kung Pao chicken. Wow. Vegetable Thai red curry. Gohan rice. This is Gohan rice. Nice. It's like a little sticky rice. Wok tossed noodles, like veg hakka. And paya nimbu shorba. This is the soup that I have shown you already, which I had. It's very yummy and nice. And Mindstone soup. This is for the vegetarians के लिए. Look at the soup, nice. And fried tofu, black fungus and pepper sauce. It's with mushrooms. That's mushrooms and paneer. Asparagus risotto, steak with cheese sauce. Wow. Butternut and ricotta pesto lasagna. Wow, that's lasagna. Wow. That's barbecue roasted chicken, drums, olives, lime. This is super delicious and delicious. This is the braised leg of lamb, turnip and carrots. Wow, this is real Christmassy dish. Then they have some nice fish here and some squids and some, my, look at this. This is the live section with all the seafood here. Wow. Then this is all they have. This is the steamed rice. Then this is the Brussels sprouts and they are on doing the live section here. This is steamed rice. Wow, look at the handi, it's so nice. This is khum bhare kofte. Khum bhare kofte, wow. Then this is sarson ka saag. Look at that, that's really nice. And this is sabzi tehri, all the mixed vegetables I guess. Oh, this is with the pulao, mixed vegetable pulao. Kadhai paneer. Let's see. Wow. The poppadoms with some salad. And they have this changezi murg tangri. Then this is achari gobi. Then dum murg biryani. This is the biryani, chicken biryani. This is dal makhani. Wow. अरहर दाल तड़का. Wow, lot of options. आज बहुत बढ़िया options हैं for vegetarians and non-veg. Malabar prawn curry. Wow, this is so nice. It's with coconut milk, butter chicken with lots of butter. Nali boti ki nihari. Wow, this is nali boti ki nihari. The mutton lovers and meat lovers can enjoy it. So that's it. And then they have the live section here. And plus the breads. So that's it from here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is the sweet section. This is the real sweet section for the Christmas. So they have chocolate hazelnut dome. This is Christmas fruit stollen. This is the actual Christmas cake. See these lemon meringue. Wow. Almond blanc melange, coconut delight, chocolate hazelnut. Wow, look at this. And look at these, so beautifully decorated. Beautiful chocolate, the sweet section of the buffet. And then there are ice creams to go for it. There's some nice Indian sweets also. Indian desserts, malai chap, coconut laddu, doda barfi, lovely. So that's it from the sweet section of S18 dinner buffet at Christmas. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. These are the berries. This is a shrimp salad. It's a prawn salad. This is the sushi, cherry tomato and some hams and pokes and mortadels. This is the fish with such a nice lime lemon slice cut with nice prawn, king prawn, with the nicely decorated with the sauce, the green sauce. Guys, this is complete seafood. This is what I think. This is the these are what, the clams. These are the clams. That's the shrimp and prawn. And then this is octopus. This is octopus.